Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to clear Instagram search suggestion when typing. Before you get started, please subscribe to the channel. So first of all, open Instagram app and go back, and after that what you have to do is just simply tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner, and then you have to tap on 3 lines, and you can see here at the first number settings. Simply tap on this from here. What you have to do is just simply search for a recent search. Here you can see recent search. Just simply tap on this, and from here what you have to do is just simply tap on clear out, or you can delete one by one typing on this. And if you want to read at once, just simply tap on this, and you have to tap on clear all from here. After tapping on clear all, your situations history will be deleted from Instagram. So this is the way how you can clear Instagram search suggestion when typing. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.